Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for political science. First, approach your readings actively. Don't just passively read. Instead, highlight important points and jot down questions in the margins. Try to summarize each paragraph in one sentence to truly grasp the main ideas. This active engagement helps you understand complex theories and arguments more deeply, making the material stick. Remember to define any new vocabulary as you encounter it. Next, develop effective note-taking strategies. Whether you prefer digital or handwritten notes, focus on organization. The Cornell method, for example, divides your page into sections for main points, detailed notes, and summaries, which is excellent for lectures. Avoid trying to write down every single word. Instead, summarize key concepts and arguments in your own words. This process of active summarization significantly improves your memory and understanding of the material. Third, cultivate strong critical analysis skills. Political science isn't just about memorizing facts, it's about understanding why things happen. Question the information you encounter, evaluate different viewpoints, and identify the assumptions behind various arguments. Strive to form your own well-supported conclusions. Connecting theoretical concepts to current events and real-world political issues will deepen your understanding and make the subject more engaging. Finally, prepare effectively for exams. Don't wait until the last minute. Consistent review is key. Practice with past exam questions to familiarize yourself with the format and types of questions asked. Regularly review your organized notes and consider forming a study group to discuss complex topics with peers. Prioritize the core theories and concepts from your syllabus, ensuring you understand them thoroughly. This comprehensive approach will help you feel confident and perform well.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.